And keeping more money in your pocket, a new state law takes effect today. It removes the state income tax on overtime hours. Wade 31's Matt Paskowitz breaks down how this bill became law.
When I first talked to some legislators about it and some advocacy groups, they laughed in my face, said there's no way you'll be able to get that done.
State House Minority Leader Anthony Daniels says it was an uphill battle to gain support for House Bill 217, Alabama's new overtime tax exemption law. It gets rid of the 5% tax on any hours more than 40 hours each week. Daniels says he felt called to do something to help Alabamians bring home more of their hard-earned cash.
This is something that's going to help working class people. I said, you're talking about the cost of goods and services increasing in the stores, retail, or in general. I said it's because of they don't have a strong workforce as well.
He believes this move gives hourly employees an incentive to work more hours when needed. The law also requires employers to report the total amounts of compensation hourly employees receive for overtime to the Department of Revenue. Daniels says the mandatory tracking will provide data on which occupations are working the most overtime.
Think about your nurses. Think about your law enforcement. Think about your firemen. Think about all of your public service employees or government employees. Think about the industry you're in for hourly workers. Think about the manufacturers, right? And so when you're thinking through that, overtime itself, nobody works it. You never seen the calculation of people working overtime until this bill.
He hopes Alabamians appreciate the difference it will make in their paychecks.
If done correctly, government can work for you, and that look at the things that you can get done in a bipartisan manner where everyone get a chance to, get a pat on the back.
With coverage you can count on, I'm Matt Paskowitz, Wade 31 News.
And the law will stay in effect until 2025 unless lawmakers decide to renew it.